I'm back. Just drilled a hole. I don't know if you can see it. There's the grainy film quality right there. Ladies and gentlemen, it's right here. That is white tape, electrical tape. That's all I have at the moment. I will pick up a grommet somewhere and put it in there. But here is the new sensor for the gauges, which I will do once the engine's a little bit cooler. I'm not trying to burn the crap out of my hand. This is the tubing for the oil pressure gauge. So my oil pressure gauge is, it's going to be pain in the butt to see. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Try a little magic trick here. Nope, can't do that. Alright, well, yeah. Let me go grab a flashlight real quick and get this figured out. So, got a trusty old flashlight right here. Alright, climb up in here. Now if you look down right there, that rusty thing right there, the light's on, that is my oil pressure sensor. So I have to get either some kind of special bit, or I can, I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'll figure out some way to take it off and put that stuff on. It's got some fittings that go in there too, so that's how the tube goes on. Yep, so this is what the hole looks like from the interior. So, drill a hole in, put some tape there, call it a day. So yeah, that's what we got going on so far. And, yep, I will be back once the engine's a little bit cooler. I'm not going to burn the crap out of myself. See you in a second.